Hello, how are you? Pleasure, my name is Joao and I'm 33 years old. Today I came to talk about my experience with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. There are many people being deceived and losing all their money with this product, and today I will reveal everything to you. Pay close attention to what I am going to tell you now. My first warning about this product is for you to be very careful with false promises out there. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not a magic formula that will make you lose a lot of weight in a short time. You have to do a treatment. I recommend that you use at least 3 bottles of the product because each bottle lasts for 30 days of use. I'm telling you this because I used this product for 6 months with 6 bottles and I only started to see a lot of expressive results after 2 bottles. So buying just 1 or 2 will not help you lose a lot of weight. Before buying this product I had a lot of problems with my fats. I wanted a way to lose weight fast and I had already tried everything like crazy diets, exercises, and even tried to improve my diet, but even then it was no use. I have even taken some medicines that have made me ill and have not brought me any kind of result. I couldn't look at myself in the mirror because I thought I was too ugly in the body, those fat on my belly. I couldn't put on the clothes I liked. I suffered jokes calling me chubby from some friends and colleagues. It all made me feel bad, and when I was in this situation I was anxious and nervous, a feeling of anger at the same time of guilt, and to alleviate this I was going to eat. I ate and ate until it was full. My situation was very sad and difficult. Until I went to a specialist and talked about my situation, and she recommended me to have a treatment with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. When the expert told me about the product I didn't understand what it was for, and she explained that it was a 100% organic weight loss product, made in the United States and approved by the FDA and certified by GMP. Anyone could use it. So, as recommended by an expert, I felt confident and safe to buy. But I also saw other videos here on YouTube from several people saying that they had good results using it, and that gave me even more confidence to use it. But before buying, the specialist gave me an alert, and this is for you too. She told me that this product is only sold on the official website, that I was careful not to fall into fake websites and not lose my money. This product is being sold well, and several scammers are taking advantage to sell the counterfeit formula that does not bring results. To help you not fall for scams, I will leave here in the description of this video the same site where I bought the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and everything went well. The original product came with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so here in the video description I will leave this official website for you to access and be able to safely buy the original, okay? Returning to the subject, I started taking a spoonful of the product with water every day once after breakfast. In the first 3 weeks I already felt a little more willingness and energy in my day-to-day. Before I was very lazy, and whatever I did I got tired because of my weight. In 2.5 months taking this supplement I already noticed that it helped me a lot to have more control over food. And I had already lost more than 23 pounds by that time. I was very happy with these results and kept taking to lose more weight. When I was in the 4 month of use I lost 48 pounds, and that without going hungry, without doing crazy exercises. In addition to losing a lot of weight, I did not experience any side effects. At the end of the 6 months with this product I lost 65 pounds. What I realized is that this product greatly speeds up our metabolism and consequently makes us burn more fat in a short time. To be honest, my life has completely changed for the better. I was able to be happier, I improved my self-esteem, I feel good about my own body, and I find myself more beautiful when I look in the mirror. Today I receive many compliments about my body from several people. I managed to get my ideal weight. And even though I stopped using this product for more than 2 months, I remain with my results. It was very worthwhile for me to have used this product. It even works to lose weight. But you have to do the treatment with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic correctly every day. Make use of 3 to 6 bottles to get good results, and, of course, buy the original product. Watch out for fake sites like I said. I'll leave here in the description and in the first comment of this video the same site that the specialist indicated to me and that I bought and arrived here at home in less than 8 days. So the official website, the secure website, is here below the video to help you, okay? I hope I have clarified your doubts with this video of mine, and I'm sorry for not appearing because I am too shy to appear here on the internet.